Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you which fuse to check in case your blower motor is not working. So in case there is no air being blown from the vents. So the AC doesn't work, the heater doesn't work, there is no air blowing out at all. If air only blows on a specific fan speed, then most likely you're having problems with the blower motor resistor. But if there is no air being blown at all, then you want to check the blower motor. And you can start by checking the fuse. This video will apply to F-150s made from 2024 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Blower motor fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just behind the battery right here. So it's a bit tight spot, but you can get into there. So first you want to remove the cover. There's like a black tab. You want to press it, lift up, and then gently remove that cover. You'll have to maneuver it out a bit, but it is doable. And once you remove it, here are all of the fuses. And the blower motor fuse will be this 40 amp fuse located right here. Okay, I'll try to pinpoint it actually. So this is your blower motor. Now the fuse is the first thing to check in case fuse is good. Then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You want to check the blower motor, you want to check the connection on it, you want to test if the power is coming to it. If the power is coming, then you are dealing with a failed blower motor probably, and if it's not, then you might have a wiring issue. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.